Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
What's up guys, it's me again, back with a new video. In this video, I will show you how to use the new TikTok voice changer on TikTok. But before that, let us check if your TikTok application is updated. So let's go to Play Store and check if our TikTok application is updated. Just type down TikTok, and then as what you can see, our TikTok account is updated. So let's open it. Just tap on open, and here just tap on the plus sign on the center, and then it will now allow you to record a video or a voice. So just tap on the red button on the middle or in the center, and then you can now record a voice or a video in which you can apply. Go to audio recording, in which you can apply a voice changer.
Hello and welcome to Absolutely Easy channel. In this channel,
you will learn how to.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.